$12 left and a new game. So I have been playing Bowling for Bucks for my month ahead binder, and I finished that one, and so I have a new version of it. So I'm going to use the envelope for Bowling for Bucks. And yeah, I'm going to use the envelope for that. And here we go. So I'm going to roll 3 dice, same rules as Bowling for Bucks. Rolling 3 dice. If I roll 3 of the same number, it's a strike. If I roll 2 of the same number, it's a spare. So strikes get $10, spares get 5. So that's $9. I'm gonna stop after this one because, okay, so I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 8, which is $9. And I'm gonna put the whole 10 in and stop there because you know what, I may make a snow bowling envelope because I really want to keep that with Bowling for Bucks. I really want to keep that one with that, so I will make this one its own envelope. So $10 going in this one today, even though I rolled 9. And this, I've been playing Bowling for Bucks for my month ahead. I don't know. I'm going to wait and decide what I want to play this one for.